First, you need to square up your fat quarter. So take one corner of your fat quarter and lay it on the opposite corner of your fat quarter. And then take your rotary cutter and your ruler and slice off the excess fabric. Fold your fabric right sides to right sides and make a crease across the diagonal of the fabric. Make a cut on the creased line. Making sure your triangles are right side to right side, pick up the top triangle and rotate 90 degrees. Turn your project so that both points face towards the bottom. Pin along the top straight edge. Now take this to your sewing machine and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Press the seams open. Working from the straight edge, take your ruler and erasable marker and mark lines at 2.5 inch intervals. Trim off the excess. Flip it over so it's right side facing and bring in the two ends just like this. At this point your lines will be matching up, but you need to offset by one line so that you have tails at both ends. Then offset the lines by 1/4 inch by moving your bottom piece just slightly to the left and then pin together. Sew together with a 1/4 inch seam. At your tail position, take your scissors and start cutting on the marked line. Cut all the way along until you get to the end. Fold in half lengthways and press. Congratulations, you have just made continuous bias binding.